Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to earn passive income through the SushiSwap BentoBox. The BentoBox is basically a collection of different tools available on SushiSwap that will allow you to profit on your crypto, all while staying within the SushiSwap ecosystem. So in this video, I'll walk you through the 4 different ways you can use the BentoBox to earn passive income with your crypto. So let's dive right on into it. The first step is going to be to navigating to sushi.com and pressing enter app. This will take you to the SushiSwap platform. And what you're going to need to do here, first off, is have a MetaMask wallet connected with some Ethereum in it. If you're not sure how to do that, we have a full video walking you through exactly how to do that right up here. But once you check that video out, you should have your MetaMask wallet connected and have some Ethereum in there. Now from here, the first thing you're going to need to do is to acquire some SUSHI tokens. As you can see here, I've already got some SUSHI tokens in my wallet, but if you don't, you would come down here to the swap screen. You'd go here and say we want to buy 100 SUSHI tokens, press swap, confirm swap. And then over in MetaMask, we'll get a pop-up telling us what the transaction fee will be and what the total amount will be. You'll just press confirm if you want to go through with that, but we already have SUSHI tokens, so we don't need to do that. Once you have your SUSHI tokens, you can begin earning with BentoBox. The first method is going to be to come over here to explore and press xSUSHI. With xSUSHI, basically what you're doing is you're staking your SUSHI tokens, basically locking them up in exchange for a reward, and then receiving xSUSHI tokens in the process. With those xSUSHI tokens, you're basically entitled to a fraction of all of the transaction fees that occur on the SushiSwap platform. And we have a full video diving deeper into exactly how this works, but for the basics, you'll just want to come over here to stake SUSHI, enter how many SUSHI tokens you want to stake. Let's say we want to stake 100. We'll press confirm staking. We'll get a pop-up in MetaMask showing us the fee for the transaction. And if we want to go through with that, we'll just press confirm and that transaction will go through. And we will now have xSUSHI tokens instead of SUSHI tokens. With those xSUSHI tokens, you'll be earning every single day. As you can see, yesterday's APR is about 10%. So the longer you hold those xSUSHI tokens, theoretically, the more you're going to profit. Now, the next way to earn through BentoBox is basically taking this a step further, because here you're staking SUSHI tokens and receiving xSUSHI, but you can actually stake xSUSHI as well and receive the next token up, which is called Meowshi. So if you come back over here to explore and go to Meowshi, we can see that progression right here. So SUSHI, you stake SUSHI for xSUSHI, you stake xSUSHI for Meowshi. With Meowshi, you're basically able to earn double what you're earning with xSUSHI, and we have a full video detailing exactly how that works right up here as well, as it's a bit more complicated than just xSUSHI staking. But in essence, what you're going to do is stake your SUSHI tokens here, and then receive some Meowshi tokens as well. You can just press approve. It'll take you through that transaction as well. We don't want to go through that right now, so we'll just press reject, but then you'll receive some Meowshi tokens and you can just unmeow those whenever you are done. Now, the third method for profiting through BentoBox is going to be over here under lending and lend. This is basically the Kashi lending platform and allows you to lend out your cryptocurrency to borrowers in exchange for an APR. Now, again, we have a separate video detailing this process step by step, which you can find right up here. But the basics is that you're going to be lending out a cryptocurrency, receiving an APR, and if the borrower defaults, if they can't pay you back, you're going to receive their collateral that they have put up ahead of time. So in this pair, for example, you'd be lending out NMR tokens, and then the collateral will be wrapped Ethereum. So if the borrower cannot pay you back, then you're going to receive their wrapped Ethereum tokens to kind of protect your downside risk. Depending on which cryptocurrencies you have and want to lend out, you can scroll through here and see all of the different options available to you. Now, in addition to lending, the fourth method for profiting with BentoBox is going to be borrowing. So this is the other side of that relationship where someone is borrowing the crypto, someone's lending it out. So if you wanted to borrow instead, there's actually a number of different ways that you could profit by borrowing cryptocurrencies. And you can find out more about this process right up here. But with this, it's basically the same kind of thing. So you'd be borrowing this cryptocurrency. So in this case, DAI. This is the collateral that you need to put up. And then you'll be paying a small APR for the privilege of borrowing this crypto. Now, again, you have to get a little bit more creative with how you're going to profit with this borrowed crypto, but there are a wide variety of methods you can use to do so. And those are the 4 ways to make passive income through the BentoBox platform on SushiSwap. If you have any questions about any of those, feel free to drop those in the comments below, or check out the dedicated videos we have for each of those methods. And if you're looking for more ways to profit with your crypto, check out this video on screen right now that'll walk you through exactly how to do that. So be sure to check that video out, and I'll see you over there.